Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, in Nigeria, the one thing that you can guarantee is that things will always revert to type. No matter how good and noble something is or new, the one thing that you can guarantee is that it will always end up as things are in Nigeria. So guys, I bring you this. Suspended Sowore suspends AAC acting chairman. So Omoyele Sowore apparently has been suspended from the AAC, and he has now suspended the person who suspended him. So the headline again: Suspended Sowore suspends AAC acting chairman. 2019 presidential candidate of the African Action Congress and chairman of the political party, Omoyele Sowore, has denied being suspended as the chairman of the party. He in turn suspended Leonard Nzenwa, sworn in by his party as the acting national chairman. Sowore claimed the rumors were simply a distraction from the central bank scandal. So here's a quotation from Sowore. Sowore suspended from at AAC as party chairman. Kindly ignore, but don't forget that they needed some distraction from the at central bank 500 billion scandal, Sowore tweeted on Monday. The National Executive Council of the AAC announced on Monday the suspension of Sowore as the chairman for alleged anti-party activities, failure to convene NEC, and financial misappropriation. So those were the accusations that were leveled against Sowore: anti-party activities, failure to convene a NEC meeting, NEC meeting, and financial misappropriation. The party claimed that Sowore, together with 8 other members, contravened Section 225 subsection 3 and 4 of the 1999 Constitution as amended by allowing the inflow of illegal foreign funds into the party and personally retaining the funds. The council also stated that the suspension of Sowore and other members of its executive took effect from March 27th and will last for 6 months except overturned by a national convention of the party. A new acting national chairman, Leonard Nzenwa, was immediately sworn in. But in a swift rebuttal, Sowore, in a statement signed as the national chairman of the AAC, announced the expulsion of Nzenwa and suspension of other individuals for financial impropriety and anti-party activities. It has come to the notice of the office of the chairman of the African Action Congress that a group of suspended members induced by financial reasons and anti-progressive politics gathered in Abuja today, 13th May 2019, and purportedly held a NEC meeting, said Sowore. These members, led by Leonard Nzenwa, former national secretary, who was suspended for financial impropriety and anti-party activities, have demonstrated by their actions that they have never been and have never shared the core beliefs that those of us in the African Action Congress hold. Sowore said while Nzenwa is expelled from the party, those who participated in the Abuja meeting are suspended from the party until investigations reveal the extent of their involvement. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the goings-on in AAC, the newly formed party, who we thought was a paradigm shift from the status quo as per the way things are run in Nigeria, where it is usually dollar bags and self-interest. So now apparently is now dollar bags and self-interest in AAC too. So apparently the founder and the leader has been suspended by somebody that nobody knows. The founder and the leader has now suspended this person that nobody, expelled even this person that nobody knows, and suspended this cohort. They were we're now talking about financial misappropriation, anti-party activities, and we're talking about anti-progressive activities. So this is the language that we speak of AAPC, and the language that we speak of PDP, and it's now the language that we're speaking of AAC. So everything changes but stays the same. This is the story of Nigeria. Everything changes but stays the same. So Sowore, who has come out to say that he's come to clean the stable and sanitize the Nigerian space, is now having all these things that we have in the APC and the PDP now attached to his party too. So everything changes but stays the same. That is really the story of the Nigerian space. Everything changes but stays the same. So conversations in the comment section as usual, but before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come have a chat with me in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.